Hello and welcome to Bitesize Electric, the podcast where we break down the biggest challenges and best practices shaping the future of electric networks, one bite at a time.
We're now on episode 3 of our 4-part series on transmission asset inspections. Today, we'll look at how inspection teams add photos of transmission assets and how new AI tools can analyze those photos. I'm joined by Aloïs Brunel, VP of Product for AI at IQGeo. Aloïs, good to see you.
Good to be here, Jeff.
Before we get into the AI aspect of analyzing photos of their transmission assets, maybe you should start with the original challenge our customers faced, which is having to manually upload photos and having to upload photos in bulk. What's the better approach?
So for inspectors, the goal is to make capturing and organizing photos effortless. So with that approach, they simply take a picture of the asset right inside the same app they're using to view their work order, and the system automatically links that image to the right pole or tower. No need to rename files or drag and drop later. It's instantly associated, and once they're back online, it syncs directly into the system of record. So the whole photo process just becomes part of their natural workflow, quick, reliable, consistent.
So that's a key step in the documentation process, giving them a photographic record and more comprehensive historical data the next time that the asset is inspected. But we're also working on how to automatically analyze a photo. Can you tell us about that?
So that's where things gets really exciting. So once the photo is uploaded, our visual AI immediately starts analyzing it in real time. It recognizes the type of structure, detects key components, and identifies any visible issues or anomalies. So for example, if an insulator is missing, damaged, or just looks different from what's expected, the AI flags it automatically. It's like having a second set of expertise reviewing every image 24/7.
And when the differences or discrepancies are detected, how does that affect the inspection workflow?
The AI doesn't replace the inspector's judgment, right? So it enhances it. Instead of manually sifting through hundreds of photos, the inspection team gets guided insights. Here what's normal, here what's look off, here's what might need immediate attention or action. And this helps them prioritize follow-up actions and focus their time on the assets that truly need it. So AI becomes, in a sense, a trusted assistant in the field, not a replacement, but really a force multiplier.
Wow, I think that's a great example of how AI complements the work processes that utility inspection teams already have and gives them the tools to make their jobs easier. Thanks, Aloïs. We'll be back for our final episode next week.